Hello out there in video land. My name's Corey Stringer. I'm the creator, author, and illustrator and big bald guy of the Blue and Roo series. And today, I'm going to be teaching all of you out there how to draw Blue and Roo. Okay, so we'll start with blue. First, I draw the eyes, which are two circles. A T for the nose, the ears, the head, fill in the mouth, fill in the rest of the face, give her the collar, eyeballs, whiskers. Roo, same way. Circles, T, pointy your nose, fill in the mouth, pointy ears, bring the chin down, eyeballs, whiskers. Don't forget Roo's collar. Now we're to blue. We're going to give blue some arms. Roo is to the right of blue, so blue will be pointing to the right. Roo is going to be giving the peace sign and a thumbs up. We'll generate his body towards blue, who's on the left. Now we're going to give blue some legs, and then blue's tail. Blue has its spots on her chest. We call it the cookies and cream spots. It also helps she has toes. A little shadow there. Give Roo some legs as well. Some toes. A little shadow under Roo. Roo's tail. The little wiggly things means they're moving. And there you go. Easy peasy, right? Let's actually pretend I didn't say easy peasy. Tell you what, y'all out there draw some pictures of Blue and Roo. Send them to us. I'd love to see them. Maybe we'll even share them with everybody on here. Send them to us at all of our social media accounts at Blue and Roo, as you can see right here. Fancy graphic, costs a lot of money. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.